It's nice to meet you, Blue Shoe. Yes. Oh, welcome back to Daytime Live. Yeah, these are the crazy things that happen in the break. All right, so we're still buzzing. Yes. So here we go with more. You're going to love this. You're going to love this. Yes.
Oh, what was it? What are we going to
World 100-meter champion, Pocket Rocket, Shelly and Fraser-Pryce, competing in Kenya for the first time in her long and successful career, delighted the thousands of fans at the Kasarani Stadium with a 10.67 victory in the 100-meter. It's not finished. Not only
What else?
was it a meeting record, it was also a Kenyan all-corners record and the fastest ever season opener for any 100-meter sprinter in history. I'm done.
Yes. Now
That's it. She's the greatest.
All-comers. After clocking her third sub 10.7 run within 12 months, Shelly Ann said, and I quote, "It was very good. This atmosphere was fantastic. I'm not sure if it was perfect. I'd have to see the replay, but the time tells me that my training has been going great." End quote. The run was the third fastest of her career and her third sub 10.7 run in the last year.
That's a girl right there. So guess what?
Listen.
Only 4 other women have actually run the distance faster. Americans Marion Jones, which I'm not even sure if I should say her name right here based on, the circumstances, right? But at the time, it was 10.65 for her. Then we had Carmelita Jetta, 10.64. Fellow Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, who did 10.54. And the controversial world record holder, American Florence Griffith Joyner, who did a 10.49. Shelly all the way.
Shelly all the way. Pocket rocket. Mommy rocket now. So ahead of the meet, a lot of attention had been placed on the possibility of another 100-meter matchup between Shelly Ann and Sha'Carri Richardson. No doubt a spillover from last season, which featured a highly anticipated showdown at the Eugene Diamond League meet. Now, just 2 days ahead of the Continental Tour, however, and for the third time this season, Sha'Carri had withdrawn from the meet.
Oh, is that a surprise?
Let me just toss my ear. Let me just...
No, don't toss too much.
Listen, girl.
Don't go too hard. No, is that a surprise though? Are you surprised that for somehow she just suddenly, how many meets? 3? She can't show up?
Yeah, she can't. Yeah, she afraid.
Pride
She afraid.
cometh before a boof.
A boof.
A drop.
It's true. And that's why, Usain Bolt said to her, like, kibba
Your mouth.
and let your performance speak for itself. You know what I mean? But I still feel she's still doing way too... I respect her, because I think just to be an athlete, it takes a lot of dedication and time and talent and all that stuff. Discipline.
Yes.
As a dancer, professional dancer, back in the day, me get it, me understand. That's why I don't do no more because I can't manage. So I respect her a lot. I do feel, though, she should focus on other things, which maybe she's doing. Maybe that's why she's missing the meets, because she's trying to focus on other things. But we're all looking forward to, after all that full of big chat and didn't defend that, we were looking forward to the defending.
Since we're kind of on that
Full
point,
of big chat, that one?
big chat.
Yeah.
Has that ever happened to you, like throughout your career, throughout your life, where, whether it be work-wise, personal-wise, relationship-wise,
Let me tell you something.
where you give off a big chat?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about me. I am the kind of person, it's a very bad fault.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut off my nose to spite my face.
Okay.
Listen, no
Right.
matter what I keep, if mistake I gotta keep, listen, whatever I have to do to get it done, and I have done it in my life.
So if you say, listen,
If me say, listen,
I can run on the treadmill for 1 hour.
you're going to
do
heart
it.
drop off, everything fly, but listen.
That sounds like Will Smith. Will Smith said something close to that, and look where he ended up. So, in the meantime,
First thing we
let's
should
check
cut
out.
off nose to fight face.
I'm saying, let's check out this funny video where this baby didn't cut off his nose. Instead, he argues with his dad. Let's see what this argument is about. This is interesting. The kids
Stop. No, I'm trying to give John John and Deja his videos, and you won't let me finish it because you're not going to sleep. No, I'm trying to do these videos, sir. You should No, I'm trying to do the videos. You should be asleep because it's past your bedtime. I'm trying to do the videos because I'm doing over here and you in the way. You in the way. You leave me alone. You leave me alone. You leave me alone, bro. You leave me alone. I'm trying to do these videos. You leave me alone, bro. Don't hit me. Hit me again. Hit me again, bro. Hit me again, bro. Huh, what? Say it again. Hit me.
Ooh. Ooh. He was like, I'm
so-
about to thump you.
Do you think that's the mom he got that from?
I was just about to say. She's like, honey, you are not letting me speak, baby. Baby. That's definitely,
It's a mommy.
he's imitating mommy right
Yeah,
there.
it's the mommy. Say, listen to what I say.
I said to put down the toilet seat.
No, but let me tell you something, I think with every generation, the younger generation gets smarter.
Your granny
Okay.
tell you that, though. Talk
No,
truth.
no. I can't recall if Gran ever said that
Yeah,
to me.
mommy always said
But
that.
I really think so. So I love seeing this, and I think it's been happening for a while, but social media is making us see it more. Yeah, man. I feel like if I have a son, my son going to do that to me too. Just argue
When you
with
have a
me.
son, you mean?
So Daytime Live.
What you mean when you have the son?
So Daytime Live is going to be right back, right? When we come back,
Talking about Sinise.
we're heading to Nigeria to talk about the popular Nollywood series. If you haven't seen it yet, start watch it right now during the break. It's called Blood Sisters. Daytime Live, Sue Forward.